Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Princess.
Hi, Nicole.
And for today's video, we'll be doing another informative video for you guys. Kasi, nung nilaunch namin nung pinost namin yung aming what's in our school bag.
Na-mention ko dun yung Notion ko. So, ang dami nag-comment sa inyo kung paano ba namin siya ginawa. Gusto nyo din gumawa kami ng tour.
Yes, kung paano talaga siyang ginagamit. Kasi some of you guys are still confused. Pero, we're here to help you guys and guide you.
Gagamitin ni ate yung template ko for Notion. And since hindi pa siya nakakapag-start mag-organize,
ngayon ko palang ayusin yung aking mga Notion.
So, this is your sign para like sabayan nyo na kami gumawa ng Notion. Meron na kaming template na ipro-provide for you guys. Pwede nyo na siya organize as well. So
without further ado, let's get started. Yan, office na tayo dito, Nicole.
Okay, so andito na yung laptop ni ate and andito din yung link template ko. So, yun yung maganda sa Notion, guys, kasi you can just duplicate yung mga templates ng iba. So, pwede nyo siya i-personalize.
Like what I'm going to do now.
Yeah.
So, yan, lumabas na yung template ni Nicole. Nakita ko na yung schedule niya. Oh my gosh. No. You see here the word duplicate, so you just have to duplicate it. Automatic na mag-open na siya sa Notion app mo.
But if you guys don't have Notion, we will have a link also sa description box kung saan siya pwede ma-download sa any devices. So, iOS, Android, sa iPad, sa laptop, sa iPhone.
Anywhere, anytime. So, as you can see here, I have two workspace and one is for my personal and the other one is for our business. So, syempre, lagyan natin siya sa personal ko.
So, habang nag-duplicate guys in template, Notion guys, it is an all-in-one workspace na you can use for organization, for planning, or just actually anything na gusto mong ilagay digital.
It can serve as your digital planner and all.
Wow! Ito ang Notion niya.
No, ito kasi yung gamit kong Notion nung first year ako. So, andito pa yung mga iba kong mga tabs and all. As you can see on the left side, guys, andito na yung dinuplicate nating template from Nicole. So, ayan na siya.
So, since ayun yung template mo, pwede mo siya palitan. You can change this.
Yeah, I'll change this one into ni Christine naman.
Christine? Gusto mo yung ganyan font? Or pwede mo
palitan? Pwede na ito palitan.
You can change the font here. Ito yung default.
Ano yung gamit mo?
Ito, mono.
Default lang ako. Ako hindi ko lalagyan ng princess kasi nga, akin naman tong space na to. College life.
Of princess. Ganun din. Princess.
Day 1. Ay, vlog pala. No, okay na sa akin yung college life.
Okay, change your icon as well.
Ayan guys, so look, meron ng mga provided na mga icons and all that you can use para ma-customize nyo, industrial, yung mga ganyan, para naging mekaniko. Hindi, sige.
Ano aralin mo?
Campus.
Okay, yung building ng school mo, lagay mo dyan.
Sige, pwede din. So actually, marami talaga. Diba? Ayan po ang aking first step. So, ayan, masyado siyang personalized talaga, diba? Di para ma-motivate ka. Alam mo na about college talaga. Actually, maganda itong ginawa mong template kasi parang overview na siya. Or parang weekly schedule na siya. Kasi nga weekly schedule. Ibig sabihin kasi, syempre, throughout the week, may magkakaroon kayo ng mga deadlines and all. Para dito, alam mo na. And also, you can also put yung parang mga schedule mo here.
Kailan ka walang pasok?
Yeah, I have Saturday classes.
Ganun. You can add pa naman. Copy this.
Then, paste it like that.
Gawin mo siyang
Saturday. Kasi I have Saturday classes ng 1 to 4 p.m. Ang subject ko niyan is NSTP2. So, on Wednesday, wala akong klase dyan. So, probably gonna be my work day. Super simple lang maglagay ng mga buttons and all. Kasi you just have to click itong slash. Then, ayan, may mga to-do list. You can put yung to-do, ganyan. But since nga, schedule to, tatanggalin ko yan. Dito natin siya ilalagay sa to-do list natin for a week. Yung parang weekly to-do list natin. September 4, kailangan ko magpasa ng ID picture ko sa September 4.
Here, meron tayong time.
Yes, but naka-military time yan.
Masanay na ako sa military time. But, eto guys, kung gusto niyo makakuha ng mga ganito, it is actually very simple to do. So, ang tawag sa mga ganyan guys, widget. So, parang extension siya for Notion. Na parang mas, may design and all.
Yeah, like mine kasi tinamog. At yung dati kong time. Ayan, ganyan. So, ngayon, medyo minimal tayo. Same siya sa color ng mga text and all.
Ayaw gawing green?
Ay, sige, green natin. Green background.
Green text ba? Yan, ganyan. Di ba? Mas lasal ka
Mas lasal na lasal siya, guys.
Hindi ka mas sobrang
This video is sponsored by Lasal. Actually, lahat din ng gamit ko green. Di ko
Oo nga, yung
bakit.
backpack mo
Wala
green.
yung back to school vlog namin. So, that's basically it. So, here, may napansin ako, focus on being productive instead of being busy.
Quote lang. Ano ba gusto mo ipalit?
Focus on being busy than being... Hindi, okay na ako dyan. Kasi nga, ang maganda din sa Notion, kaya lagi namin siya ginagamit din. Kasi we stay productive. Kasi nga, like I said, kapag nakikita mo yung gamit mo organized, nagiging organized din yung buhay mo. Hindi ka stress and all. So anyway, here, Nicole, you have this code.
Yeah, I just inserted or embedded a photo. So you can change it as well. So, gusto mo palitan ng ibang picture?
Yes.
Ay, ang cute ni Limin Ho.
Ito na lang kaya.
Oo, ang cute niya dyan eh.
Ang cute niya dyan.
Copy the link. And then, replace. Embed link.
Tada! Ang cute! Diba? Sobrang nice kaya, tsaka sobrang nakaka-enjoy mag-ayos ng Notion. So, sumabay na kayo now. Anyway, so about me, change ko to. Siyempre, hindi ako si Nicole. 20?
19 ka ba lang?
You can also put mga email and password mo here just in case na makalimutan mo siya.
Here, meron na tayong calendar, which is also a widget. Pero pwede din kayo like galing sa Notion. So, if you guys wanna add a calendar, you can just go here. Calendar view.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tada! Maganda dito sa sariling calendar view ng Notion is that pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga details and events and all. Birthday, ganyan ibig ko sabihin na functional yung mga sariling options from Notion. So here on the left side, you can see yung mga today's to-dos. Tongue twister yun So for example, I need to go sa birthday later. May birthday kami pupuntahan. Yeah. And then also you can put some wear costume. And then edit a vlog since I have something to do later related to our work. So, bida mascot naman. Maniwala sila.
Okay, next we have navigation. This is one of my favorite parts sa Notion template ko. First, I have notes. So, when you click this page, it will lead you to this one.
Yeah, that was so useful.
So, for example, ganyan, palitan nyo na lahat ng courses nyo dyan. And then, every time na may lecture, click your notes.
So, like that one, ayan, parang may sariling page per subject. And ang maganda doon,
And per topic.
Yeah, per topic siya. And ang maganda, nasa isang workspace lang. Pwede kang gumawa ng maraming pages. Hindi lang naman about college nyo and all. So, later, explain namin din yan.
And then, we also have
yung expenses po natin. Ayan, meron siyang expenses. For example, back to school, bumili ng mga school supplies. So, nag-spend siya ng 2,000 for that.
Yeah.
Para lang matrack mo yung mga expenses mo ngayong college life mo.
Lalo kung may budgeting kayo. Kung
nagbabudget kayo. For example, gumastos ka na ng 50 pesos. Here sa category, pwede mo siyang malagay sa transportation. Then, lagyan mo din syempre yung date para alam mo kung kailan mo ginastos. So, here we have the reading list kasi gusto ko mag-start na magbasa ng mga libro. I know, hindi talaga ako type of person na nagbabasa ng libro.
Yeah.
But, so,
or
yeah.
kahit hindi naman books, like kunyari may mga articles na pinapabasa sa inyo.
Yeah.
You just open. Ayan na siya.
Dun sa aking note-taking na app. So, ang kalat masyado. So, may Notion para ma-remind ka and ma-stay organized talaga yung utak mo.
Okay, we have the daily check-in. This is what you call a toggle. So, when you click it, ayan. So, kung ayaw nyo nakalabas lahat, you can have the option para mas malinis. Kung ayaw nyo masyadong marami nakikita, you can do it. We
have here yung mga college. What's that? Kasi that's your template eh. I don't have that one naman.
You can delete this na pala.
Yeah, so ayan.
Actually, when I was like applying to different colleges, I had this na. When you click this, andyan lahat.
Yung mga
kailangan
needs,
mo for
requirement.
Your college. So, andito yung Ateneo essay ko. Other requirements. So, basically, yeah, ito yung nakatulong sa akin talaga para masubmit ko sila on time. Kasi nakikita ko talaga kung ano yung mga need ko.
Since nagamit naman na to, that's the time na magdidelete tayo dun sa template na kinuha na natin if hindi naman natin talaga want or need. Again, it's customizable. It really depends on your likings or preference. So,
bye-bye!
Yeah, ganun lang kadali guys mag-delete.
Okay, you want to change this?
Yeah, I need to change it na. So, I have here itong pingo syempre. Ayan, this one. Copy code and then i-copy nyo lang here. There! Ang cute, diba?
We have also the due within week. This is a table view. This is just like a to-do list, pero mas
detailed. Kasi may mga dates and all.
The difference between like the to-do list and then compare dito, you can filter it out. So, kasi pag to-do list, diba, check, tapos delete na.
Yes.
So, with this one, if you want to filter or sort, pwede ko siyang i-click kung ano na yung status niya. So, or kaya yung mga tapos ko na, then, na ko na pala natapos.
Yeah, hindi siya sama-sama, kumbaga.
And maganda din yung mga ganito kasi parang meron kang sense of accomplishment.
Yeah.
Kasi, di ba, ang nakaka-fulfilling kapag nakita mo na, ang dami mo na pala natapos. Now, we have another widget over here. Naglagay ako nito. First day of college. Tama,
it's like a countdown.
Yeah, countdown.
Yeah, same naman tayo. 7 days na lang. Oh my gosh.
Pero pwede din kayo like, end of the year, end of the month. Pwede nyo yan ma-customize also sa widget.
So here, we have the study playlist, which I'm going to change.
So, just copy the link of any Spotify playlist. And then,
diba? Sobrang dali talaga. Parang hindi ka na pupunta sa mga iba. Like this one, pabalik-balik kami ganyan. So, pag may Notion kayo, isang lagayan nyo lang. Then, mag-play na siya while you're doing or you're editing.
And then, we have here another countdown. But, hindi naman total
What's
countdown.
that?
It's like the year tracker that you can remove it. So, gusto mo matanggalin.
Yeah. Kasi pwede ko siya ilagay dun sa mga personal page ko, hindi sa college life ko.
Second to the last is we have the quick links to courses per subject or per course. So, you can click it. Okay. You can put your Zoom link here kung face-to-face, kung online classes
Yeah,
kayo.
online pa rin naman.
Mas nakafocus na siya sa subject mo.
Mismo. So,
first is syllabus, of course. Info sa mga prof mo, anong building number.
yeah, hindi ko pa siya na-edit.
The course description, and yung mga grading system, andito din.
Para inform ka lang and all.
Kapag need mo tingnan, biglaan. You never know, kailan mo kailangan
Yeah.
tingin sa ganyan.
So, at least dyan, andyan na siya. Di ka na mahirapan mag-up sa messenger ng group nyo, ganun.
And then, eto, naalala niyo yung notes page kanina. Andito na din siya. So, when you click it, bumalik
Same
ka
lang
dun.
din.
Yeah, bumalik ka dun.
So, anyway, meron siyang grade calculator just in case you want to compute your own grades. Makikita mo lang siya dyan, yung average mo, Pomodoro timer.
Yeah, this is really good kapag nag-study kayo because it is a technique.
So, basically, after this video, isa talagang ilalagay ko lahat ng details ng prof ko. Siyempre, hindi ko malagay na for their privacy and all.
And lastly, meron akong study with me and Soul na walk around video from YouTube.
Yeah.
Pero papalitan daw ni ate.
Papalitan ko, syempre. So, for example, lagay ko yung vlog ko, guys. Embed link, and then, tada! My vlog is in there! Siyempre, papalitan pa rin naman din. Nilagay ko na para panoorin nyo. But, eto, lagay ko yung study with me din na may kasamang music din siya.
Yan.
Tada!
So, when you click it,
parang shortcut, kumbaga. Parang hindi ka na lagi nagsisearch. Kung yun yung palagi mo pinapatugtog or piniplay, at least andyan na siya sa favorites mo and all. Ganyan. So, basically, any nature, guys, na aking college layout.
Thank you so much, Notion, for sponsoring this video, and super thankful kami kasi avid user talaga kami ng Notion and nag-sponsor yung Notion, and we've been working with Notion for a couple of times na.
Yeah.
So again, guys, lahat ng links nasa description box below. I will be providing my template and also how you guys can download the Notion application. And if you guys want yung mga basic templates lang, don't worry kasi sa mismong Notion app, meron na.
Nagpo-provide na sila. Or actually, you can create your own template. So, if you guys have your own template, comment it on the comment section below para magamit din namin, ma-check din namin. That's it for this video. We hope you guys like it. If you guys did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos and click the bell button beside to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. All the links are on the description box below.
So, check it out and we'll see you guys on our next one. Bye!